Hey legends, Chris from All Terrain Warriors here. Just want to do another rig rundown. This one's a bit unique with the colour it is. Woodland Green is the colour of this one, so it's a factory colour from Isuzu. Let's go check it out. So starting off around the front here guys, we've got our ATW 3-poster bull bar, the carbon 24 volt 20,000 pound winch, ATW windscreen surround, heavy duty rack. Customers opted for the Stedi spotlights on this one, so we've got some 9-inch pairs down here as well as the 42-inch light bar up the top. This truck is running our 19.5-inch single wheel conversion. This maintains the full GVM of 7.5 tonne. ATW Parabolic suspension with the Oz Tec Shocks. It's a complete replacement of all the OEM gear within the truck. Moving around the back here, we've got one of our ATW full aluminium trays. It is a 3.4 metre tray on this particular unit. Canopy's paired up. We've got an 800 canopy module here in the back of a 1200 module. So as you know from previous videos, all of our canopies are 1200 high. That gives you the ability to run a rooftop tent or a boat lighter as required. So moving inside the canopy boxes, the customers have just chosen to keep it pretty simple. We've got one adjustable shelf in each unit. I imagine they're going to do their own fit out with fridges and 12 volt to pair up with the Shervy solar panels that we fitted on top of the cab. Moving around this side, we've got our new headboard ladder design. Design changes include, we've made this part here as a separate piece to make it easy to fold, but more so to give you a better section to grip your foot on when climbing that ladder. Bushwakka awning, 180 degrees. It'll span the full length of the truck when opened. You've got our underbody toolbox lockers, which then house our new water tank design. So to go into a bit more about our new water tank, water pump system, we've got it all housed in this locker here. So once you're in this locker, you've got your water pump. It's a 24 volt pump that turns on by that switch. This one is running a 115 litre chassis mount water tank as well as an 85 litre headboard water tank, the 200 litres in total. And you've got the ability to draw from either tank via these small ball valves inside. So your water in and out of each tank is through these two taps under here. One of them is a fill point, so it's pressure fill in as well as gravity out. The other one is pressure pump out only. So if you've got 200 litres of water in the truck itself, you've got the ability to pump this back into a caravan, have a shower. If you've got a pump that you can drop into a creek, you can pump into the tank from there as well. So moving around the rear of the vehicle now, some other tray extras include the ladder rack. This particular ladder rack is the same height as the headboard. So whatever you want to put up there, it'll line up with that headboard. We also do a 1200mm high version of that as well if you want to line it up with the canopies of choice. We've got our spare wheel carrier here. That gives the ability to have a second spare up the back there, as you can see. We've got one spare underneath. We've got all our standard rear tray features, LED tail lights, the Stedi rear work lights. Isuzu reverse camera is factory. This one has just got our normal 4.5 tonne Isuzu tow bar with our 12 volt tow kit, which is a 12-pin plug, two 12 volt Andersons to suit the caravan design. So moving inside here guys, we've got the aftermarket grab rail that we fit from Isuzu. Just makes it a much easier grab and a lot easier to get in. We've got our Scheelman aftermarket seats. These are an orthopedic seat. Various adjustments, very comfortable seat, very high quality, made in Germany. We've got our ATW center console here, which has got some storage and some 12 volt USB power. As you can see above here, the green really stands out against the grey. It's just the way that the Isuzu paint system works. It's finished inside and out the same colour.